Hi folks, in the months online I've been looking for a Becker Micarta handle for my BK7. I haven't come across a video that showed specifically how the handles looked on a BK7 knife. I've seen them on BK2s a lot, but not on a BK7, so I thought I'd make a video for those interested. And here it is with all the stock components. These of course are the old handles, and I used to have them wrapped on the knife with this stuff. This is electrical tape with an inner tube wrapped around the handle, similar to what I have on this Glock 19 Gen 3. And that worked fine until I wanted those micarta handles. So here's what it looks like for those interested. This is the BK7. Pardon my filming technique. I'm an amateur, of course. And as you can see, I think it looks really great. These are the stock BK handles. Here's the package they came in. BK77 HNDL for those interested. And here's the knife with the micarta. Looks really nice. This leather strap here. I think it's a worthwhile upgrade. I think it looks really nice stock. These are stock handles, of course. And what I like too, as I'm kind of anal retentive, is that the shaping is almost perfect. In fact, it is perfect. So these are genuine stock handles, not aftermarket. And it's a nice color contrast with the dark blade. And these fit all these large handle knives, but this is specifically on the BK7. So if you're considering getting this, I'd do it. Once again, here's the these are the code numbers. And what's important too is that, like I said, I spent months looking for this. And the reason is I wanted to get this at a good price, under 40 bucks shipped. Because that preserves the value of the knife itself. So that's one consideration. That's all, I guess. So I'll flip it over one more time. It's just very attractive, and I think it's a worthwhile upgrade. Anyway, that's it. Thanks.